Hi everyone, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube Barber, aka the wooden board. Well, used to be the wooden board, no more. I'm not going to sit here and drone on like a monotone divvy. That isn't how it's going to work anymore. I'm just going to be myself. I'm going to open the boxes. There's going to be less editing. So this is the box that we're going to be looking at today, and it is the Stylecraft Rebel Mr. Cartoon Master Deluxe Edition. I'm going to do a little comparison at the end of this video with the sound check from the previous Rebel, the first edition of it, and this new version, which is, I'm going to call it the Rebel 2.0. Let's get straight into this. I'm going to have a look on the back of the box. I'm just going to run through a few things on here. So it has the Vapor blade on there, the slim deep tooth cutting blade, which is an absolutely brilliant cutting blade. It just plows through hair like it's a hot knife through butter. It has the 2000 strokes per minute super torque motor. It's fully adjustable, so you can have it zero gapped. 3 additional lids, which we will come to, and we'll have a look at those. The lithium ion battery, 3 hours of runtime, and it takes 1 hour to actually charge it from empty. The stretch bracket on there, or you can have the normal bracket with the click lever, and it has the gamma dubs 0 to a number 6. So you're getting such good value for money. Now, I believe this comes in at $199, which probably equates to about, I'm not even going to, I'll hazard a guess, £175 UK money. Let's have a look at the clipper now. This is, when you take it out of the box, this is how it comes. It has the black lid on there with the barber pole with the halo and the wings on there, and it says Mr. Cartoon at the bottom, Stylecraft at the top. The Vapor blade on there, click lever, and like I said, it's got a few changes on there compared to the previous model of the Rebel, but we will go through those in just a minute. What comes in the box? Well, like always, you get your charging dock, so you can sit it on your station. It can be constantly charging. You're never going to run out of battery, which is always an absolute bonus, especially if you're a new barber and you're going to take a little bit longer on fades. Your last thing you want is for your battery to run out. We're going to have a look at these 2 lids, the extra ones that come in the box. So these are the other 2. I absolutely love these. I'm not going to lie. There's just something about them, the feel of them. I like the matte. I'm all about the matte finish, and these are a matte finish. You can probably tell anyway. This one's my favourite, the blue one. It just kind of reminds a little bit of myself, a clown. You also get your plug, so you can plug it in directly into the wall, and you can actually use it while it's plugged in and it's charging. Your gamma double magnetic guards, and they're from a 0 to a 6. Screwdriver, bag of knickknacks, and it's got the green cam follower, which we're going to come to, and your USB instruction book, and this also tells you everything what you need to know inside. This is personally one of my favourite clippers that I've used since I've been barbering. I do like the traditional feel. I mean, my go-to has been the Instinct, but this is definitely up there. There's not much more I can say that I haven't already said about previous clippers from Stylecraft. They're such an amazing company. Before I go, I'm going to tell you about the few little changes as well on this clipper compared to the previous model, which I will get. As you can see, they are pretty much identical apart from the case, barring a few little differences. The little differences there, I don't know if you can see on that one, the original and the new one. This has the little chrome switch on there, so you know that this is the newer version of the Rebel. It's been redesigned, so it has like a little cover over the switch to stop hair from getting into there and causing it to clog up and like eventually stop working properly. The next one on there is the actual motor itself. Now it's the same power, same torque, but what they've done is they've taken the holes out of the motor. Again, this is to stop hair from getting in there when you're using your clipper all day and you get that much hair and shit clogged up into the actual motor, and eventually it'll get louder and louder and louder. Loud noises! And then it'll probably even stop. So they've done that on there as well. The next thing is, in this little bag, you have the new cam follower, the green one. Now this is made out of a lot stronger plastic. When you're using this, it's designed now that it pushes the hair away, so it's not going to clog up. So they're just a few little differences about the Stylecraft Rebel. But if you do get a new Rebel and it's got a green cam follower, a little metal switch, you know that this is essentially what, like I said, the Rebel 2.0. That's how you can tell if it is, and it will run a bit quieter as well. But I'm going to do that little decibel test now, and I will weigh the old one and the new one, and there'll be a little clip at the end as well of me using this new Rebel clipper. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't liked it, put your thumbs down. I don't really care. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, or you can even unsubscribe. It's entirely up to you. Get down in comments, tell me what you think. Will you be getting one of these? I've been Rusty Blades, and I'll catch you in the next one.